today we are making one of my favorite things to make, which is a good chicken Alfredo, but with Parmesan. So
and high protein.
high protein.
Yep. And so we are gonna start with cooking our chicken first, which we got in the thing. So
We already got our chicken in the crock-pot.
We are gonna utilize our frozen chicken breast that we need to get rid of, right?
Yep.
And then we're gonna go ahead and do that in our favorite cooking tool, which is my
Ninja Foodi.
So a lot of times we have frozen food. So
yeah.
Life on the road. So it's the best way. I use that as the pressure cooker for that. Mm-hmm. And we are going to go ahead and add a cup of our chicken bone broth.
Chicken bone broth.
Yep. And so we're going to have to add a cup.
Okay.
So
we're going to add one cup of chicken bone broth.
Yep. And when you pour it over the bowl. Yep. And then dump that in.
So I'm going to dump it in.
Yep, perfect. And then what we're going to do is
seasoning, yep.
So bottom off of that. So then we're going to hit the S on there.
S?
Yep, with your thumb. And just sprinkle it around.
Her favorite little, salt shaker.
It's salt and pepper in one. I mean, when it comes to RV life, I don't need two separate ones.
It's the set card.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, so what we're going to do now is you're going to close the lid.
Close the lid.
Yep, and then you're going to lock it. So pull that all the way over.
Got it. There you go.
And then you need to make sure make sure it's just right there because it's a seal.
Okay.
Now you're going to turn it on.
Turn it on.
So this is chicken. So we're going to go high, which is good. And then move it up to 25 minutes.
Okay.
And just hit start.
Start.
And now it's going to preheat. Yep, it's going to preheat, and then it'll take 25 minutes. So It takes about 10 minutes for that to pressurize. So the chicken is done. So go ahead and unlock that. Yep. All right. Whew. So our chicken is now cooked. We're going to shred that up. Grab the two breasts out of there.
Chicken.
Yep.
Some big old pieces.
So we're going to shred that up. But what we're going to do is we're going to use that to cook the noodles. So go ahead and open the boxes. Yep.
Both of them.
Just make sure you take the cheese packets out. We're also going to zhuzh up the cheese sauce and make it high protein and butter too. I like doing it in the pressure cooker, and I like to use the bone broth because one, it gives it more flavor, and two, it adds more protein. And we like to use Goodles.
My favorite pasta brand.
Yeah, and they have a bunch of different flavors, but I love it.
We're using the Twist Parm.
Twist my parm.
With
Asiago and Parmesan
with
spirals. But I like it because it's got the high protein and it's got fiber and it's just
and I like this brand better.
And Maddie likes it, so that's always a good thing. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. So maybe add another cup of that broth. All right, now dump that in.
Okay.
Right there. Alright, so we're going to fill that up, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pressure cook it. And then you're going to lock the lid. Then we're going to seal that. So yep, okay. And then high, and we're going to actually go to 6 minutes. So drop it down to 6. Alright, start. Alright, now that's going to, shouldn't take as long because it's probably still a little warm, but we're going to let that cook, and then we'll show the chicken.
We'll come back for another round.
Yep.
So now we're going to shred the chicken.
Yep.
So
I like to use, basically it's the only thing I even use it for, this hand mixer. Just stick it in there, and I like to kind of mush it first before you turn it on. Now just hit it up a little bit, not full blast, but just enough. So now I'm gonna have Maddie make us our sauce. So go ahead and take the 2 packets.
So I'm gonna cut open the cheese sauce pack, whatever it's called.
Yep. Then you're gonna dump it in there. Make sure you dump all the good stuff in there.
Okay.
Got it. Do the other pack.
Okay.
All right. Grab that.
Okay.
Take the cottage cheese. Open up the cottage cheese. All right. Now take probably like 2 heaping spoons of it. Yep. Throw it in there. A little bit more. Oh, that's fine.
Oh,
perfect. All right. And we're gonna take our milk. Just leave that there.
we're gonna take milk and pour it in.
We'll start with a little bit first.
Okay.
We can leave that off now. Yep.
So put this.
See it like when it twists it a lot better, right? I'll flip it over. This is another one of my favorite kitchen things, another Ninja product, and it's my Ninja blender and food processor. Go ahead and hit on. Okay, there we go. And I forgot to say, I like to put in a protein powder, and that is just whey, unflavored. All right, so we got our sauce now made. You want to take your finger and try a little of the sauce, cheese sauce. Your Alfredo.
That's so good.
I know, right?
That's so good.
So good and full of protein. All right, Maddie, the pasta is done. We're not gonna let it sit. So turn the little dragon head, but don't hit the steam on your hand. Dad made me that out of the 3D printer that we have. So it diverts the steam out. Go ahead and take the little dragon thing off. Unlock it. Okay. So
Now,
this is our pasta cooked perfect. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we are going to go ahead and take that cheese sauce.
she's right here.
Yep.
Dump it in.
Yep.
Stir it up.
Stir that up. Right? Alright, now let's go ahead and add that shredded chicken in there. Now stir that in, but you want to make sure we're not like squishing the noodles, so just we're stirring. We're folding the chicken in. So we will get that finished up, and then we'll plate it. Yep, and get the final results and taste test.
And taste test from Dad too.
Well, yes, from Dad, but especially from you, because you're the pickiest of eater.
But I will try stuff.
I know, but we gotta make sure you love it. All right, taste test. How did you do?
Have to get everything.
Might be hot.
So good, man.
Did you do a good job?
Mm-hmm.
All right, final outcome. Look good.
So good.
Awesome. Good job.